welcome to Pop's Sheep Shop. I'm Lily.
I'm Sean. Today we're going to do a little bit different video. We got a new sliding compound miter saw, Harbor Freight. We're going to do a quick review of it. Let's take a look. Okay, this is the box. It just says we brought it home. You can see it's a 10-inch sliding compound miter saw, 15 amp motor, precision cuts, dual linear slide, 45-degree bevel, left bevel. And we're going to get unboxed and see what we got. Okay, got the usual instruction set, and you get pretty much everything you get from Harbor Freight. Slides, take a bag for the sawdust catcher. A tool, and that's it. Unbox.
Here's the plug over here.
You're not too close in, are you? Everything else right here. Hold down clamps. Put right there, everything's loose.
No, I think that's it.
Alright, let's get it out. And that box now, that's the location of it. Zero. It's a little stiff. Nice. Slide and stop on there, so back and forth real nice, smooth. Got adjustment for it for tilting. And so I got the 9-degree lock on it. Or the swivel lock. Work piece fold down, so lock away if you don't want. That's better. Hold on a second. Those small pieces of size, that was outriggers for the large piece of wood or something to set on, give you a little wider base to cut with. Works good. Okay, replacing the blade. Remember, excuse me, this is a reverse thread, so it's righty loosey, lefty tighty. That's pretty usual nut and bolt setup. Sorry, I can't work that way still. Okay, you know, so put down a piece of wood to hold the blade in place while you finish up the tightening process. Good and snug. Okay. Put the shield back down. Good and tight. Okay. Alright. Check out a few other things while we're at it. We'll check this against the rip fence. Like it's a saw blade. That's pretty doggone true. Seems to be one cast piece. There's no way to really adjust the individual sides. They're all cast and screwed down, so you can move the stop from the left to the right by moving the wing nut there, put it in the other side. Let's plug it in and give it a shot. Quick test cut on here. There's that, okay. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Give it a shot. See, we stayed right off the pencil line just like I tried. That's pretty square. Yeah. Real happy with that. One thing we also didn't do is put on the sawdust bag. We wouldn't have caught so much dust if we'd have done this first. It's simply the clamp style. Squeeze it to open it. Okay, if you'll take and hold the blade down for me.
Oh. So you think the dust won't go everywhere now?
I don't know, it's sewn pretty crudely. So I don't know, we'll try it. See how much the bag actually catches and how much we catch now. I think we're done with this one time. I'm not really into using hold downs. It might have caught a little bit, but I don't think it caught too much. But not as much came out towards me either, so it just went to the back. It's fine. Another good square cut on it, nice and smooth. That real fine blade I got makes a nice smooth cut. Very little tear out, just a flake on those old pine. Very dry pines, very old pines. We actually pulled this apart from another project. I'm still redoing the cleat wall. There's some scrap stuff from that. This is coming in great use for that.
Now that we don't have to, you know, take away all the wood.
Well, after holding the blade, I'd rather wear the spindle lock.
Good job.
Because the spindle lock is built into it. If you hold this forward for me, one hand. That would have held the blade. So I had to put it against that piece of wood. Just so used to doing that with my skill saw. That's nice to know. Okay. Where the brushes go. I thought it was a keyhole at first.
Me too.
Didn't see the key. But this is real nice though. You can tilt the 45 that way. This of course will rotate from 45 to 45. A little better than that over here.
So 45 to whatever degree this is.
Yeah, it's be 45 here, so it'll be 45, 50, 55.
I think so.
Kind of weird having to point off to the side, but that's fine. We cut up to 13-inch board. Wow.
So we cut 13 inches boards so often.
Yep. This come in real handy, I think. Something I like to see. I like to have a higher rip fence in the back. That's always something we can add. And nothing's really fun if you customize it a little bit. Well, yeah, it worked out really good. Thanks for watching.